Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create subdomain in Hostinger. So first of all, you need to go to this website option. So click on website, then go to your main domain. So for my case it's inupixel.com. So I'm going to click on dashboard, and after that you need to look for domain on the left side. Here you can see domains, so you need to click on this, and here you can see subdomains. So you need to click on subdomains. So here we need to give our subdomain a name. So let's say the name will be my ERP. So the total subdomain name will be myerp.inupixel.org. So I'm going to select this custom folder for subdomain, and I'll just keep it the way it is, and I'm going to click here create. So there you can see it created a subdomain called myerp.inupixel.org. So right now if I just go to home, then click on website, here you can see we have our subdomain over here, myerp.inupixel.org. So we can just go to dashboard for this domain. So yeah, this is how we can create subdomain in Hostinger. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.